In today's episode of Mindful Recipes, we are gonna make poached eggs with zucchinis. Why? Because it involves carefully preparing and cooking fresh ingredients like zucchini, eggs, bell peppers, and herbs. The slow poaching process encourages focusing on timing and technique, while the vibrant colors and flavors of vegetables and spices, including the thyme and garlic, engage the senses. This dish also promotes mindful eating by using nutritious ingredients and allowing you to savor each bite.
For that we need zucchini, onions, bell pepper, capsicum, tomatoes, 4 eggs, garlic, chilies, Worcestershire sauce, salt, thyme and butter. Now we'll add some butter to the pan and let it melt for a while before adding garlics and chilies to it. After adding garlic and chilies, we'll saute it for a while. Once the sauteing is done, we're gonna add onions to the pan and saute them for a while. Once the onions turn golden brown, we're gonna add thyme to the sauteed onions, and then we're gonna add capsicum and some bell peppers to it. Then we're gonna add the main ingredient, which is zucchini. After cooking the vegetable for 3 to 4 minutes, now we are gonna add the Worcestershire sauce. Then we'll add some sliced tomatoes to it. Then we'll add 2 teaspoons of salt. Cover it with a lid and cook it for a while. After cooking the vegetables for some time, we're gonna make small spaces between the vegetables for poaching the eggs. We'll break open all the 4 eggs one by one and let them cook with the vegetables. We'll check once the eggs are properly cooked. We're gonna serve the dish with bread or rice.